Okay, you guys, so I got the car started. My G20 was started, but it shut off. But anyways, so we are about to head out to the dealership. They said that they need to keep it overnight, so that's why we're driving, you know, both BMWs out there. And I will videotape a little bit more when we get there. Oh my goodness. I may have a little bit of a hard time, you know, partying with her overnight, all right? I know it's one night, but it still makes a difference. My bad, technical difficulties. Okay, so anyways, gotta leave it overnight. You know, it's gonna be hard for me to part just for one night, I know, but still. And then, I don't know, I'm gonna videotape when I get there, and then we'll see if I can, like, maybe get some footage inside the garage and stuff like that. I don't know exactly, you know, how we're gonna do this, but I don't know. We'll just figure it out as we go. Okay, you guys, we are in the garage. Well, I guess I should say those, you know, the service garage when you pull in. So I'm just gonna leave it here for a minute. They're pretty full today. And go sign in and all that good stuff. We are going to leave it overnight, like I said. So right now, it is still parked where we left. And then they're gonna be moving it to the service lot. And then tomorrow it's gonna go in the garage. So I'm gonna show you one more time so you guys can see the back before. You're okay. And then probably the next time you guys see it, you're gonna see the new spoiler on it. There it is. That beautiful carving. Let me see. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Are we gonna fly, baby?
Yeah.
Are we gonna fly? Let me see. Yeah. This is.
It's way better, yeah.
Cherry on top right here.
It is way better, yeah.
Damn. You guys see this? I was looking at those. Look at with the hood, like, or with the roof, and oh my god.
I have an E36 I'm pretty too.
Oh, you do?
And it has like this style wing on it.
You have an E36? That's like one of my dream ones, too.
That's my other.
We got the same thing. Okay. They're taking it away. When she comes back, she's gonna have her new piercing.
Burn out. Burn out. Burn out.
Oh, that's my baby. They had to take my M2 to a different body shop for them to do the spoiler install because I don't know how to say that they weren't comfortable, but let's just say that it's something that they don't do enough here, I guess, for their techs to actually feel comfortable doing it. So, yeah. So that means that they have to send it to a different body shop for them to do the install. And they're only about like you know, they said like 4 or 5 miles away. So that's that. So they went ahead and, you know, took it away, like you guys saw. And it broke my heart to watch it drive away, but, you know, it is what it is. You guys literally saw that spoiler. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. Definitely a cherry on top. So, yeah, it should be done tomorrow. And, yeah, I'll update you guys then. Okay, you guys, so we are on our way to the dealership. I feel like this is a little bit a deja vu from back when, but anyways, I got to see some sneak peek photos and I am just wowed all over again. So anyways, I am so excited for you guys to see the final installation, and yeah, I'll see you when we get to the dealership.
Yeah.
We're back. Well, holy crap. Amazing. Let me show you. You guys want to see it, don't you? Man, oh man. Yeah, that took the aggressiveness way up. Okay, I'll come meet you guys. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. It looks so good. I actually love the fact that when I'm driving, like where the height of it is perfectly will cancel out someone's headlights behind me. I love that because so many people are out here driving with their freaking high beams on because they can't get their low beams fixed or just go buy like a $2 bulb, or buying some freaking bulbs from Amazon and they're not even like directionally correct, and so they're just blinding you. But anyways, that's besides the point. Alright, you guys, so I just got home. It is now nighttime, but that's okay. I mean, you guys saw it, you know. Look at my little seats. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alright. Oh, let's get on out. So let me turn the camera around. There it is. I know you guys got to see it, you know, in the garage where there was more light, but at least you get a little nighttime action. And how beautiful the car is lit up at night. And then these little lights were on. And then my wonderful box in the back. Now, I need to go inside because it is Apzine. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. Whatever you want to do. I'm good with it. I'm just sharing. Okay?